Hey friends, this is Atif here. Well, and welcome to the new update on Bitcoin. After breaking out the triangle, Bitcoin has re-entered the same triangle which was previously broken out. And in today's video, we will analyze, is there any possibility that Bitcoin will again break out the resistance of the same triangle, or we are going to break down the support. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me to show you this 4-hour time frame, and here you can see Bitcoin has again re-entered the same triangle. And yesterday it broke out the resistance. We had some accumulation above the resistance, but finally the price line has re-entered the triangle. We have the support of the triangle at $28,600. That is our long-term support as well, and I'll show you why it is our long-term support. But right now, if we take a look at this triangle, then we can see that after this breakout, as I was telling you, there is a very low volume. We need the follow through. We need a follow buying volume to confirm this breakout, and you can see that volume is still very low, and the price line eventually moved down inside the same triangle. And there is also another resistance exactly at $30,725. And you can see that here in the short term, it was working as a support, as a resistance here, as a resistance here, and as a resistance here as well. And we are recently also rejected by this resistance of $30,725. That is our short-term resistance here. Now let's take a look at this weekly time frame. Then we can see that we have already bounced by this support of the very big falling wedge pattern. And if we take a look at the daily time frame, then we can see after getting bounced, we are still having accumulation above this support of this very big falling wedge pattern, and also the support of this $28,600. And you can see since after December 2020, price line never broke down this support of $28,600, and we have tested this support here back in January 2021. Again, we tested this support here in June 2021, and recently we have tested this support, and right now we are again having some consolidation above this support level. And here our resistance line we have, and we can see every time after getting bounced, it is also getting by this resistance as well. And this time it can, if it will be bounced from this support, then after breaking out this falling wedge pattern, it can form another higher than previous high, because you can see it is forming higher than previous highs whenever it is getting bounced by the support. Like here we had a high at $64,895, and here we had a high of $69,000. And it is possible that this time after getting bounced by this support, it will cross $69,000, and it will set a new all-time high for Bitcoin. And the worst case scenario, in my point of view, is, again, I want to share with you, is this 200 weekly simple moving average that is right now at $22,067. And you can see, since it has been appeared in the month of June 2015, we have never broken down the support. We tested the support here in June 2015, in August 2015, and again we tested the support here in December 2018, and here in the month of March 2020. We had a long spike, but again we had a very big resistance rally. We could not break it down here, and right now we are very close to this support once again. And recently Bitcoin was dropped up to $25,400, and you can see this the 200 weekly simple moving average is also moving up, and it is also possible that it will move here sideways, and it will move more up and provide the support, and then it will start the next rally from here. And it is also another fact that Bitcoin never breaks down the previous high. For example, we have the previous high at approximately $19,500 to $20,000, and Bitcoin never breaks down such supports. And also such supports as well, like we have found here. We can see previously we also found such support here. Bitcoin did not break down this support, and before that Bitcoin found another support here back in 2015. Let me show you that support as well on the weekly time frame. You can see here we had this support approximately here at $210. Here we had the support when the price line was testing the support again and again, but we could not break it down, and such support we have found once again at $28,600. However, if it will be moved more down, then Bitcoin never breaks down the previous high as well. That is this time approximately $20,000. That can be a spike up to $20,000. So that is a worst case scenario to test this 200 simple moving average or testing the previous high. However, so far so good. The price line is not breaking down the support. Unless the support is not broken down, we cannot expect that it will test the 200 simple moving average or the previous high. And still, there is a possibility that at any time it can start a reversal move from here to break out the resistance of the wedge and also set another higher than previous high. However, the target for this falling wedge will be here at the top of the wedge. That will be approximately at $68,000. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because there I am sharing different trading ideas for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.